if you need a place to put these, then you might need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here with Mloxy, and that is because I have my whiskey glasses here and I like to drink, and I like to have a couple different whiskeys at all times to fill both hands, like that. And I like having my whiskey glasses separate, even with my whiskeys in the pantry. And so I picked this up because it wasn't that expensive, and I thought it would be really nice to be able to have all my whiskey glasses together. So here's what we get. We get this glass rack. Now, you could probably use this for other things other than just whiskey glasses, but I think the design here is such that it is supposed to fit whiskey glasses perfectly. Now, what you can see here is we have a wooden box. What I love about this is there's this bottom support piece here, and then we have the top piece that will hold the glasses in place so they don't move around, and the holes are cut in there. Now, you can see we have two sides here, and there's actually some openings so you can carry it around like, here is your whiskey, sir. And it's a nice little serving tray and some cutouts here so that you have 4 distinct legs when you put it down on the table. Now, I also love the burned or charred look of this. It really pulls out the grain, and it's not that heavy. You know, it's a lighter wood, but it seems well made. You can see how it's grooved into the side pieces there and then glued in, so feels good, and it's definitely something you could put in your whiskey rack. Now, I think that these holes here are probably about 3.75 inches in diameter, because most whiskey glasses are about 3¼ inches. This is a very standard size, about 3¼ inches tall, 3¼ inches in diameter, and so what I'm curious to see here is if they fit. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at that! So I'd call that maybe 3½ inches. What I like about it is it's actually a pretty tight fit so that it's not rattling around. In fact, if I put this other one right there, you know, they move a little, but it's nice and sturdy. I could carry this out into the backyard. You can see I've got a lot of incline to the tray there. These things aren't falling out, and what is nice is they're supported high enough that they're not going to tip out. Obviously, if this were kind of pressed down onto this lower piece here, or just a 1/4 inch indentation into the bottom wood, it wouldn't be good enough, but this is really nice. Now, the other thing you could probably do here is when you're storing these, store them upside down like that so dust doesn't get into them, something like that. But what's really cool is now I can pull out 6 whiskey glasses at any time, have them together, know if they're clean, know that I'm not missing anything, and serve up to 2 of my other friends, because we're all going to be drinking 2 whiskeys at a time. So if you want to pick up this whiskey glass serving tray, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.